So today we had the first pre-monsoon rainfall, which was very big in nature. That rain behind the Sylvan House, across this entire Secretariat Hill, flooded. And this flooding becomes a big concern for urban planning because we need to find a relief for citizens when these sudden rainfalls come and our intake of drainage systems are not adequately covered. So, yes, the drain behind the Sylvan House going all the way out of Secretariat Hill into the Wappamdingim River uh, needs expansion. We need to ensure that the Department of Urban Affairs immediately attends to this problem because floods can become very dangerous, and all citizens living along this entire Sylvan House stretch, including Lower Lachumiere or Central Lachumiere as it's called, and I have brought this to the attention of the officers concerned because Urban Affairs was also part of that inspection. We need to do something urgently, and this matter now is being reviewed, and I will take a review again, as I had told them, approximately 20 days after that inspection. We also took other inspections regarding to the traffic arrangement in and around this entire Lachumiere Hill because it's predominantly an office area, administrative area, and citizens are now finding it very difficult to commute and live their daily lives because of the haphazard arrangement of traffic. I'm happy also that I was briefed after I spoke to the officers of the urban affairs that there is a master plan now that is being prepared and that we will soon be privy to all these plans that the government is taking to ease traffic congestion in and around Shillong City.